Shuvolong Waterfall, Chittagong, Bangladesh. Shuvolong Waterfall, located in Barkal Upazila of Rangamati district, is one of the most attractive and popular natural tourist destinations in Bangladesh. The waterfall, which flows down the hillside from Kaptai Lake, fascinates tourists. The only way to reach Shuvolong Falls is by motorized boat or speedboat. Boats can be rented from the reserve market or the tourist pier in Rangamati town. It takes about 1.5 to 2 hours to reach the falls from the town. This journey is very scenic because there are high mountains on both sides and a huge lake in the middle. The specialty of Shuvolong Falls is its location. It flows directly into the water of Kaptai Lake. During the rainy season, this waterfall regains its full youth. The clear water cascades down from a mountain about 300 feet high, creating a wonderful scene. This is the best time to see the waterfall. The water flow is strong at this time. In winter, the water in the waterfall decreases a lot, but it is quite comfortable to enjoy the calm atmosphere of Kaptai Lake and the mountain folk. There is an army camp and viewpoint on the hill right next to the waterfall. From there, a panoramic view of Kaptai Lake can be seen. Traditional mountain food and fruits such as sweet pineapple and banana are available in small shops around the waterfall. Shuvolong Waterfall, Chittagong, Bangladesh. Porjoton BD Tours and Travels. Contact number 0177 646 7789. Voice Tahmina Shanta. Content created by Sabiba Ali. Thanks for watching.